So here is a wonderful look. A ponytail, a circle of hair grips, which we're going to pin into. I've divided the ponytail into three sections and then I put another little ponytail on. I take it, I split it into two, and then I go once and twice and flip it over. Here we go. Here's another section. Put a hair tie in, flip it over once and then twice, and that's your section. I do that to all three pieces on the top. Then I pull at the hair like this. Please make sure you're part of the fun. Watch my show every single Monday night at 8 o'clock UK time and learn a new hairstyle on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. For the full tutorial of this hairstyle, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club. Look at this now for a beautiful hairstyle. You could sell this hairstyle so easily. Let's have a look at it on a model.